Pheonix Wings of Change, a tale of climate change awareness, narrated by Kiddiestorysprout. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a group of birds. They loved their home, the forest. The birds were happy because they had everything they needed: food, shelter, and clean water. But something was changing, and the birds were worried. One day, a bird named Pheonix became extremely worried and decided to call for a meeting to discuss her concerns. They all gathered around the tree of the wisest owl, and the owl spoke first. Friends, we need to talk about something serious. Our forest is changing, and it's happening too fast. The air's getting warmer, and the water in our rivers is starting to dry up. We need to do something about it, or we will lose our home. The birds were confused and scared. They had never heard of such things happening in their forest. The wise owl continued, "This is called climate change. And it's happening because of human activities like cutting down trees and burning fossil fuels." The birds knew they had to act fast. They decided to form two groups to save their forest from climate change. They named themselves the Green Team 1 and Green Team 2. They named Pheonix as the leader of Green Team 1 and the Wise Owl as the leader of Green Team 2. Then started brainstorming ideas on how to help. Pheonix's group suggested planting more trees. The Wise Owl's group suggested creating more water sources. Together, they worked hard to put their ideas into action. They planted new trees and created more waterways. Pheonix also spread awareness among other animals in the forest about the importance of taking care of the environment. Over time, their efforts paid off. The air became fresher, the rivers started flowing again, and the forest thrived. The birds were happy that they had saved their home. The birds realized that saving the planet was not just their responsibility, but everyone's. They knew that by working together and making little changes in their daily lives, they could make a big difference. The birds also urge humans to do their part by reducing the burning of fossil fuels. All the birds in the forest lived happily ever after, taking care of their home, the forest, and keeping it safe for generations to come.